what's going on, everyone? This is Mayur here from YouTube channel Techno Ganesha. Welcome to my App Jam review. I am inside the members area of App Jam, and during this video, I am going to give you the complete demonstration of App Jam, then the detailed walkthrough of App Jam, and what does it basically. So, in a nutshell, App Jam is a combination of 8 different products which you can help to launch your products and make money online. So let's check out the demo video of AppJam.
If you are still struggling to make money online, if you always feel like you're spinning your wheels, getting nowhere, if you're still looking for that elusive breakthrough, if this is you, rest assured you're not alone. Research shows that up to 99% of those trying to make money online end up making little to nothing. This can be due to not taking action, procrastinating, or just not being sure where to start. But the number one reason for failing online is not knowing how to generate buyer traffic, the targeted profitable kind. Today I will show you how to do this without breaking the bank. Now before I do, did you ever notice how all the guru systems require fancy software paid as a monthly subscription? This can really add up to thousands of dollars every month. Funnel software, autoresponder, video creator, webinars, the list goes on and on. This is why I've decided to create AppJam. AppJam is a collection of 8 of my best-selling products.
This is really amazing that AppJam is a collection of 8 best-selling products which requires to make money online, or either you can use them to pull a lot of like organic traffic.
It creates stunning videos with a video creator. It has a design app that creates stunning images, a stock database with hundreds of thousands of copyright-free videos, images, and vectors, an inbuilt AppJam autoresponder software, a fully autonomous webinar system, a high-quality funnel builder, a lead finder for any niche, a high-quality storage drive. AppJam provides everything you need to succeed in this business without having to incur huge monthly subscriptions. Other marketers are already earning good income using the AppJam software. Now it's your turn. But
Isn't it great, guys? So I highly recommend that you should pick this up. This is going to save a bunch of your money from other competitors. And we are going through the video of AppJam. So let you know that, guys, this is going to go live on 10th of December at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So as of that time, you can click on any of these yellow buttons, and you will go to the sales page, and you can go ahead and pick this up. So guys, this is just a word of warning. You have to pick my epic bonuses before this countdown timers hits zero, because when it does, all my bonuses will expire, and that is something I don't want you guys to miss out on. So guys, basically, like, if you are interested in, stick with me for more details. In this video, I'm going to cover 3 major aspects. The first, I'm going to talk about the complete demo of the software. Like we are going to go through the complete walkthrough. Secondly, I'm going to go through the sales page with the pricing, for the pricing and upsell, and then I have some epic bonuses. I'm saying it epic bonuses because they are going to help you out in the learning phase. After, like, once you will finish the demo and the learning of AppJam. So how to do so? Uh, you just have to click on the link down below in the description. That will bring you through my bonus page, which will look like this. So you have to click on any of these yellow buttons before this countdown timers hits zero, and then it will go to the sales page. So you can go ahead and pick this up. As soon as you will pick this up, you have to log in to your Warrior Plus account. On the top right hand corner where you have your username, just click on the purchase history, and that will bring you through the receipt page, which will look like this. Let me show you the receipt page. So which will look like this. So on the Warrior Plus receipt page, you have to click on this blue button to access affiliate bonuses. So after clicking on this, you can able to access all the bonuses, like all my custom bonuses, which are immediately delivered in your account and which are completely free of charge. So even like you will pick, even you will buy the front end of app jam, you're gonna get all my bonuses which immediately delivered in your account. So let's check out my bonuses now. So before going to the bonuses, we will just check out some of the key benefits you may be interested in getting. So it's a 8-in-1 app, saves thousands of monthly subscription costs. Design app creates stunning images. Stock database with thousands of copyrights, free videos, images and vectors. Save thousands with Save thousands with the app jam autoresponder software. Fully autonomous webinar system, highly quality funnel builder, high finder for any niche, a lead finder for any niche, high quality storage drive, create stunning video with our video creator, artificial intelligence, work on autopilot, start earning as early as today. So on the top of it, guys, this is with the no question asked 30 days money guarantee. So this is really amazing. So let's check out the bonuses. So the bonus number one is Access Banklink Warrior. Banklink Warrior is basically an application which gives you the like unique backlinks that helps you to like get your ranking and pull organic traffic. So this bonus is only available for first 24 hours only, and this application is basically created by my mentor Jono Armstrong. He is like topmost affiliator and a marketer at the moment of time in the market. So that is followed by the bonus number two. It is learn how to get better conversions. So guys, you will pull the traffic, but also you need to have the knowledge how you can convert that traffic into the sales. So this bonus is really powerful to convert like the better conversions. That is followed by the bonus number three, which is how to explode your YouTube channel. So YouTube is also like one of the media right now where like you can get lot of conversions and people are making lot of money using YouTube. So this bonus will give you exactly how you can get like more traffic, more watch time, how you can improve on your headlines. So this is explore of your YouTube channel to get more and more traffic and more subscribers. So this is followed by the bonus number four, which is get Boomerang Buddy. Boomerang Buddy is an application like it's an info product with the combination of software product where like you can boomerang your income. And then we have the bonus number five, which is all vendor bonuses. So let's check out what vendors are also offering. So these are the vendor bonuses. Create stunning video with our video editor, which worth around $5,000. Fully automated webinar system. Oh, sorry. These are the application basically provided with this. Let me check out the bonuses. Okay, so these are the bonuses from the vendor. So they're providing with the live training, which worth around $500. Visitor Bullseye, which is again $200. Bonus number three is keyword magic. So everyone knows that the best ways to get high SEO ranking to have the best keywords. So this app software is basically will provide you with the keywords for Google, Bing, Yahoo, YouTube, Amazon, and eBay. So bonus number four is modern niche of marketing. So all these are the vendor bonuses. All my custom bonuses are completely free of charge, instantly delivered to your account. Even you will just buy the front end of front end of this software AppJam. So I'm not going to waste any more time, and uh, let's go to the members area. I'm inside the dashboard of AppJam, and this is very nice and clean AppJam demo. So you can just have a look at, like, they have designing application, stock images, autoresponders, webinars, funnel builder, lead builder. Then you can have the storage drive and the video editor. So all these are the applications, are like, this is the inbuilt bundle with the 8 different applications. So you can integrate with Google Drive, Pixabay, and like the email settings also. You can integrate this with the with your email, third party email tool also. So let's check out, in case of on the sales page, if they have the demo of the application. On the GB page, I have seen the demo. Just one sec. Uh, uh, uh,
Hello, I'm Dan Ashendorf, and on behalf of my partner Yves Couillot, I'd love to invite you to the launch of AppJam. It's going to take place on December the 10th.
So these are basically the applications which you can have a look at to create your designs. So this is the complete design application where you can, like, import images, and you can crop them, transfer, and like you can play around with the images. So this is the stock of, like, 1,000 vectors, images, and videos. So the autoresponder, basically you integrate with your email system, and that basically gives the autoresponder. They have inbuilt webinar, then the funnel builder, lead finder. So all these are the bunch of 8 application which comes along with this. So let's go through the sales page. So I'm on the sales page now. So let's see what it says. Finally, revealed, copy and paste our $87 a day system, newbie friendly, passive profit system, commercial rights included. It's 18-1 app, saves thousands in monthly subscription cost. Design app creates stunning images. Stock database with thousands of copyrights, free videos, images, and vectors. Save thousands with the AppJam autoresponder software. Fully automated webinar system. High quality funnel builder. Lead finder for any niche. High quality storage drive. Create stunning video with our video creator. Artificial intelligence works on autopilot. Start earnings as easy as today. 100% money back guarantee. Grab AppJam today and save $80. The regular price is for $97 per month. This is with the one time cost we are going to get. I guess they are offering some discount also. Let's check out. This is a trick. Like, after going to the sales page, if you'll try to close down the browser on the top, so it will pop up one, it will like auto pop up with the discount offer. Let me check out. So here is the discount. I will show you that. So let's check out the pricing. So here is the pricing. The front end AppJam is going to cost you $22. Access the powerful AppJam software and the training modules. The FE bump line AppJam traffic booster is for $9.95. The upsell number one is AppJam unlimited. It's an unlimited version without any restriction, which is which cost $47 with the downsell of 37. Upsell number 2 is AppJam done for you for $97 with the downsell of 67. Upsell number 3 is AppJam Enterprise for $47 with the downsell of 37. Upsell number 4 is AppJam multi, Multiplier, which is for $97 with the downsell of 67. Upsell number 5 is Lifetime Traffic for 365 days for $147 with downsell of 97. Upsell number 6 is AppJam Reseller for $97 with the downsell of 67. So guys, this is all you're going to get in with the front end of 22. I will strongly recommend you should go for upsell number 1 or upsell number 2. That will help you out like after buying the front end of which will cost you for 22. So this is what about the pricing. You can go through my bonus page, which has the tons of information. Don't forget to go through my bonuses also, which are super powerful. I'm saying it super powerful because they are going to help you out in the learning phase. Like once you will go through this application, there are tons of information on the sales page also. So there is a don't leave empty handed. Click on the button below. So there is a discount offer also. So to claim the, let's take out the discount offer. So instead of front end like for the $22, you're going to get in $15.61. Like this discount is for the limited time. So don't miss out, guys. So this will be the instant access that you are going to get with like all the vendor bonuses, all my custom bonuses with less than even like $16, which is really an amazing offer. So guys, overall my thought on this, like this is really an amazing app with the bundle of like 8 different apps. I strongly recommend that you should go for this application with the limited time offer of less than $16. So this is what is all from my end. Thanks for watching my AppJam review. I'll speak to you soon in my next one. Thank you very much. Take care. Goodbye.